Are you thinking about ordering the Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, but you can't decide on which color to buy? Stay tuned and I'm going to help you right now after my intro. Hi guys, it's Zilla. I'm back again with another video, and it's finally Samsung season. Yes, the Galaxy S9 Plus and S9 have been put on pre-order. Some reviewers already have it. I don't have the device, but I was at the event in Barcelona, and they are great devices. I really enjoyed the event. I'm going to do a separate video showing my whole time in Barcelona. Great city, love the people in Barcelona, lovely, friendly people, very helpful. But anyway, a lot of you out there have either pre-ordered one of those two devices or are thinking of buying them, or are going to be walking into store on the 16th of March and purchasing it there and then in store. And a lot of people have asked me, which color am I getting and why? Which color is the better color? Now, off the bat, I can't tell you which is the better color. I can only give you my opinion. But what I have done is I've set up a little poll on Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter, use the link in the description down below. Click on it and follow me on Twitter. And in that poll, I asked the general public which color S9 or S9 Plus do they prefer, or they have pre-ordered, or they're going to be buying. And the results are quite shocking. Now, before I go into the poll results so far, I will say this: Samsung have stepped up their game in terms of what they're bringing to the marketplaces out the gate in some regions. Now, I'm in the UK, and I'm pretty sure this applies to the States as well. But usually they only offer two color variants when the pre-orders come up or when the device goes on sale. This year in the UK, and I think again in the States, we're being offered the Lilac Purple, the Coral Blue, and the Midnight Black. Now there is a fourth color, a Titanium Grey, which I'm sure is being offered in Canada. I don't know why Samsung do that. I'm not part of the marketing team or anything like that. I don't know. But they're the four colors that are available. Not to everyone, but I'm pretty sure you can import the Titanium Grey if you really want to. And the poll has surprised me. Now I've got it here. It hasn't finished yet, but I will. I mean, you probably can't see that there, but I will tell you what the results are so far. So in last place is Titanium Grey at only 11%, which surprises me. In third place, now this really surprises me, is Lilac Purple. I thought Lilac Purple would be a lot more popular, and we'll get into that in a little bit. So that's in third place. In second place, we have Midnight Black. Now that surprises me. That means there's a lot of you guys out there and ladies who like the classic black devices. I don't blame you. You can't go wrong with black. And number one at 34% is Coral Blue. So out of all the votes, Coral Blue has 34%. Midnight Black has 32%, so it's very close. Lilac Purple is at 23%. And Titanium Grey is only at 11%. So that is quite a big difference. Now, me personally, I've ordered two Samsung Galaxy S9 Pluses, the Coral Blue and the Lilac Purple. I'm going to make a different video explaining why I ordered two devices, but both are beautiful colors. And I think, honestly, I can't decide between the two. The Lilac Purple is absolutely stunning in person. The videos that you see, the photos you've seen, do not do it any justice. It's beautiful in the flesh. Really like that color. Now, let me go through each color one by one and let you know what my opinion is, because that's what this video is about. This isn't me telling you what to buy, it's just me giving you my feedback. So, first color, Titanium Grey. Very reflective, almost like a mirror, but beautiful nonetheless. It's not available in the UK. I'm pretty sure it's not available in the States. So it's not something that I particularly want, the titanium gray. Okay. Next color, the coral blue. Now the coral blue this year is a little bit more understated from what I've seen. It's got a slightly more grayish tinge to it. Whereas the Note 7 coral blue was a little bit more, I like to say tropical, I don't know the exact term. But this year's coral blue is a little bit more understated, but still stunning as well. Lilac purple, love that color. To me, I think if I had to be pushed, I'd say lilac purple is my favorite color, especially in the way it changes its hue or the shade as you tilt it in various angles. And of course, the last one is midnight black. Midnight black, you can't go wrong with it. I didn't want a midnight black S9 Plus this year because I've got a black S8 Plus. Even though it's classic, you can't go wrong with it. It looks very stealthy. I would say that's probably very nice for someone who doesn't want to have that sort of bling to their device. My favorite, if I had to be pushed, as I said, is lilac purple. So if you haven't voted, follow me on Twitter down below in the description. Get your votes in. Let me know in the comments down below as well. What colors are available in your region where you are? Which is your favorite color? Have you ordered either the S9 or the S9 Plus? If you have, which color did you go for? I hope this video helped you all out to make up your minds as to which color to go for if you weren't sure. And I've got a lot more Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus videos coming up. I've got all the official cases. I've got the Whitestone Dome screen protectors in. I've got Rinky cases coming, speaking, the usual. And every Samsung season, you know me, I go crazy when it comes to the accessories. Anyway, guys, that's TechZilla. Thank you for watching the video and giving me your time. I'll see you all again real soon, next time. Until then, stay safe and peace.